The solutions being shown at the EuroCIS this year are dynamic as ever. But it's not just the solutions themselves. The companies are also very dynamic, also in mergers and acquisitions. PosiFlex is a company that's also very innovative and dynamic. They've recently acquired Portwell and Kiosk Information Systems. What does the acquisition mean to the company, and what does it look like going forward through this acquisition?
Yeah, that's a good question. With PosiFlex, we have a very mature and sophisticated, but also innovative Red Dot awarded product line, going through the channel and addressing the market requirements in POS. And third is about Kiosk. Based out of Denver, Colorado, we have 25 years of experience in positioning customer-specific designs, understanding the application of the customers, and making sure that we have a project management, a professional project management serving the customers, because customer-specific designs always needs guidance. And that's why this acquisition makes sense within our conglomerate of companies.
Now, the changes you spoke of, from the perspective of a customer, sometimes mergers, acquisitions from a provider can be a little bit unsettling. How is PosiFlex and the associated companies dealing with this from a customer perspective?
It's all about PMI, post-merger integration. So you have three companies, you have three different cultures, you have three different business models, and you need to bring them together. And we need to make sure that we read the insights, we read the philosophies per country for sure, but also per company, and bring them into one value proposition, not only on paper and in terms of the product, the portfolio, but also in terms of the attitude, in terms of the spirit within that team, reflecting now a group portfolio rather than a silo portfolio.
HP, there are a lot of examples of your products and solutions at the booth. Tell us a little bit about one specifically.
One nice example is about cinema. We show the full scope of possible solutions within a cinema. One is POS, so POS solutions. When you buy some popcorn and you check in, check out, and so on. So that is one part. Second is about a kiosk. If you buy your ticket at home online and you just get the ticket at the kiosk, that's one thing. But third is also about gateways from Portwell, for example, which you always need in such an environment.
Now, walking around the booth here, we see a lot of specific applications being presented in different fields. Is there anything you want to speak to specifically?
In this case, I'm talking about Bear Blue. From my point of view, very innovative, very strong, very market-oriented software company, software IP company. We are collaborating with very proactively now in the US, but also in Europe.
Hans-Peter, HP Noodling, Chief Strategy Officer from PosiFlex. Thank you much for speaking with us today.